Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a JotForm API key. If you're looking to integrate JotForm with other applications or automate your form workflows, having an API key is essential for connecting your forms to external tools and services. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your JotForm account. This is the foundation for managing all your forms and integrations. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll see your profile avatar, which is typically a small circular image or icon representing your account. Click on this avatar to open your account menu. This menu contains various options for managing your account settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This action will take you to your account settings page, where you can configure various aspects of your JotForm account. The settings page is your central hub for customizing how JotForm works for you and managing integrations with other platforms. Once you're on the account settings page, look at the left panel where you'll find different configuration categories. Click on API in this left panel. This section is specifically designed for managing your API integrations and keys, allowing you to connect JotForm with external applications and services. Now that you're in the API section, you'll see an option to create new key. Click on this button to generate your unique API key. JotForm will process your request and create a new key specifically for your account. This key acts as a secure identifier that allows authorized applications to access your JotForm data. After the key is generated, it will appear on your screen. The final step is to copy this API key. You can typically do this by clicking a copy button next to the key, or by manually selecting the entire key string and copying it to your clipboard. Make sure you store this key somewhere safe, as you'll need it whenever you want to integrate JotForm with other tools or services. And that's it. You've successfully created your JotForm API key, and you're now ready to connect your forms with external applications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.